schools coming up short.
What?
Billboard baggins, I know you wish you had it, but you ain't though.
Nope.
We just crossed you over, broke your ankles. The real assembly hall, no Illinois is about to explode. Biggest student section in the nation, bringing that racket like McEnroe. Got a Cuban with Mark Cuban, this just in. Got a top recruit committed, well